Understanding the phrase rattle. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting English phrase, rattle. Just like many English words, rattle can be used in various contexts with slightly different meanings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of this word and how to use it in everyday conversations. The word rattle can be used as a noun, and in this context, it usually refers to a sound. Imagine the sound of a snake's tail or a baby's toy that makes noise when it's shaken. Example: the rattle of the old engine alarmed the driver. Here, rattle denotes a particular sound that the engine makes, suggesting that there might be something wrong with it. As a verb, rattle can have multiple interpretations. 1. To make a rapid succession of short, sharp noises. Think of a train moving over tracks or a can with loose pebbles inside. 2. Example: the windows rattled during the storm. 3. To disturb, disconcert, or fluster. This meaning is more abstract and is usually about unsettling someone mentally or emotionally. 4. Example: that news really rattled him, and he couldn't concentrate all day. 5. To drive or send hastily. 6. Example: she rattled off a list of items she needed from the store. In each of these cases, the verb rattle brings in a sense of urgency, disturbance, or noise. English, like many languages, is rich with idioms. Rattle appears in some of them. 1. Rattle someone's cage. This means to annoy or provoke someone deliberately. 2. Example: he just likes to argue. He's only saying that to rattle your cage. 3. Rattle on. This means to talk for a long time, usually in an annoying or repetitive manner. 4. Example: she just rattled on about her vacation for hours. The word rattle is a great example of how versatile the English language can be. Whether you're using it to describe a sound, an emotion, or a lengthy conversation, understanding its nuances is key. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing word, and you now feel more confident using it in your daily English chats. Happy learning!